You want some spaghetti?
No.
Do you want some?
No.
Kaden, do you want some spaghetti? Kaden. Kaden. Do you want some spaghetti? Hey. Hey. Do you want some spaghetti?
No.
Is he asleep? Like for real? Kaden. Do you want some spaghetti? But it's done.
No.
It's time to eat.
No.
He thought I was going to tickle him again. Smiling in his sleep.
Don't touch that. Why?
Do you want some spaghetti? He's out. It's over. No more fun.